we're about to have duels. New day in the shop. We're back on the old Ratback. I almost called it something else. We're on the Ratback. We're gonna get some stuff handled on this. We're about done with it, and we're ready to take it to Chad's. So we've got to cut the fender wells out. We've got the pieces right there for it. Then we can get the duals put on it. We've got stereo stuff, mirrors, and what else? Oh, for this weather stripping inside. We've got a new channel for this to go in down that door. So we'll get that all done, and next time you guys see it, it'll be on its way to American Fork to Chad's, and he can work his magic and make all the stuff we've put on actually work, because it's just ornamental at the moment. I forgot to tell you guys, Chad's in town, and he's doing what he does. He's working on Landon's junk over here.
Let's see if we can make this
A
done.
few months ago, we built this motor. We put Truck Norris cam in it and stuff. We'll get that done and then ball hone it, throw pistons together, drop the crank in it. Landon can change valve springs, throw a cam in it, back in this truck. Just that quick. Chad's here today to tune it in and make it run good, so we'll take you along for that ride when they make it run.
Do some magic. Ready?
What are you doing?
It's done. Oh, we're just doing some magic. But we've got to put this new and approved Chevy looking radio in place of that one, because that one's not right. But look how majestic this looks. Has the Chevy logo on it.
Much bigger.
It ain't right, Dad. Oh, this comes off.
Yeah.
Never mind.
That's right.
Oh.
Oh, alright. Oh my gosh. We're gonna have to take breaks. I'm
Yeah.
heat stroking this dog.
Bro, we could close the doors and have a
Holy
sauna
cow.
in here.
We are very hot. We are sweating like crazy.
We got the wrong size.
Inside of the shop, it is almost 90 degrees. We've got a swamp cooler on high. Still have to have the door open a little bit for them. And inside of here, we just tested the heat gunned it. It was 130 degrees. So if you can imagine, 130 degrees on the cab, and we are just baking in here.
We're gonna turn into pizzas. Is this hooked to anything? Is it wired up?
No.
Are we supposed to do that?
Yes.
No, you said put it in. Chad's wired.
That's fair, I guess.
Can those bolts move? Because this one could.
Yeah.
Catch you later on the job.
Oh, yep.
It is, but
But
this
not in here.
cab was 130 degrees and we brought it in, so it's a sauna. All right, it's got to come farther out. Still. Is there more that it can?
Yeah.
Maybe we don't know what we're doing.
Well, it's, I think those, oh, wonder if that's got to go in first. Like this. That's mad.
Yeah, you're right. That's got to go in there somehow.
Close.
Alright, I think we're about ready to put duals on this thing. So we're gonna give it a whirl here. How much hate are we gonna get for this, Hunter?
Probably quite a bit.
Probably quite a bit. Everyone on the internet said, why didn't you just leave the dually rear end under it? Well, obviously those people that are asking that question do not understand. They've never built this, because a dually frame is about 8 inches narrower than the standard frame, which we used, so we couldn't put the dually rear end under it. So this is what we're doing. And it's gonna work just dandy. There we go. Guess there's no way to tell other than to tighten it up, let it down, and see if the wheels are touching. What's the recommended spacing?
I'm not that big of a dually snob, I guess.
Me neither. I don't know anything about it. If I count back on all the dualies I've owned, this is the first.
Oh, nice.
So we'll see. But it is going to look good anyway.
Yep.
It's a little more than we expected sticking out.
It is. I think it's gonna look good though with the fenders here.
It's going to be about the same as what the front has sticking out.
says an inch to a half, or an inch to an inch and a half.
In between tires?
Yeah.
How much do we have? About no inches?
None touching.
I'm gonna let the bed down so we can see. Tell me when it's about to contact there.
All right there. You're not touching.
Not touching.
Any kind of suspension is gonna make it touch.
Yeah, that's what these are for. Give it like that much. That's gonna cover most of it, really.
That looks good.
We built something that looks good, Hunter. Needs another ½ inch in between the duals. That's all there is to it.
We just had to have the big tires.
I know, right? It's like a ½ inch off the leaf springs.
Oh, wow.
That's about as close as you want to go in.
Yep.
Well, we'll figure it out. We're getting closer. It's bolted on.
Little washer.
A washer.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out how we hold this up and get it centered and there. Let's see, we'll get it right on our line. So let's see, if we're on our line, I'm at 2 7/8.
So roll yours up to 3.
Okay, 3. That should be centered.
Yeah. That should work.
Step back and make sure.
Cut that out, Hunter. Go for
Yeah, cut it right on the line.
it. Yeah.
It's good.
Okay. That's gonna look dang good. How'd the stereo turn out in here?
It's not done wired.
Oh, that piece made it look way better though, didn't it?
Yeah.
I like it. That's hard to keep smooth. Yep, I'll sand that and call it good. Too late now if it doesn't work. It's cut. And I think I've done worse, right? What do you think?
I like it.
We'll cut that off. Weld this in. There we go. See if I can remember how to weld with this thing. It's been.
Yes, that's vacation. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's like forever.
That. You like it again?
I think it's still good.
Pull it up into that. Okay. Perfect. Pretty close.
Pretty close.
We'll go for it here.
Okay.
Got a fender. What's good or bad, but she's got a fender. Lift that thing up, weld the inside. Yep.
Okay, there it goes.
Held on longer than I thought.
Yeah, it stayed pretty good. It's good. What's he doing? He's going to work, huh?
Yep.
As well.
Wow, he's got some 1982 trailer tires on there.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Nothing but the finest derby.
Yeah, yeah.
I think
That should solve that problem.
we're about to have duels. We could do the other side if somebody wouldn't have ruined the adapter.
It's ruined.
I broke it. I blame Sean, really. Mostly because he's not here. That's why. It's easiest to blame those if they're not here. Just like when I was gone. I caught the blame for some stuff.
You did a lot. Hey, you got good gappage now.
Good gappage. I'm gonna let it down. Let's see what she looks like. Looks pretty sweet. We've got real live duels. We've been promising it for quite some time. There they are. Let me fix those real quick. You approve? Perfect. I think it looks good.
Exactly what it needed.
I like it. Just a little wide, but that's stable. That's what I'm calling it. Some doughhead wouldn't have ruined the other spacer. We'd be in good shape.
How do you manage?
I pressed it.
That's nice.
I was on the second to last one. Had them all pressed in and popped it. Dang it, broke it. So we've got a pile done on it. I got one duel done. I'm currently welding the bed on the other side. I sick Chad on the mirrors. He's getting my mirrors put in. And he's cutting some stainless, extending, doing some stuff. So I went and found him a stainless rod. And he can play with my old dinosaur welder, make it work. So he's making stuff that didn't work currently.
Maybe, or I'm gonna ruin a lot of perfectly good parts.
Yeah, that's the norm for around here. So he's fitting in quite well, really. All right, duels are installed. This thing's looking pretty dang cool. I'm not sad that we put duels on it. So they're installed, looking good. We're about ready for a test drive. Chad will get the mirrors built. We'll take this thing for a little drive and see how it handles with duels under it. So Hunter's got amp put in. Speaker is not mounted down yet. I got to deal with that. We haven't run speaker wire. We've got radios installed. Kit panels are in. They're just sitting there. I got to do that side over there and get that in. That's next on the to-do list. So we'll get that done and then possibly test drive. All right, Hunter went home and everything fell apart. I forgot to film a whole bunch. This mirror's on, so drilled the door, put rivets in it. That mirror's on. Chad's over there building the other one. Dar showed up to sleep in my chair. He's in front of the cooler blowing cold air on him and he's just sleeping a little. Landon, he's out there welding a cage in a derby car. He thinks he's derbying, him and Jace, so we'll see what happens. But I'll show you a little more on the driver's door since this one's done, and I can show you the door, but I can't show you how I did it. So I'll show you some more on the other side. Chad got this all built. We are going to twist it and put it on here, and I'll show you how to drill some holes. That bad boy right there for a second. Not too shabby right there, really. Alright, we'll drill a hole with a stepper bit. Then this little rivet will fit in and then we'll put it in there. If you can hear that humming noise, it's a swamp cooler. Because it got hot all of a sudden. It's ridiculously hot. Okay, there's one. Put the other one in. Found a mirror on this thing. It's probably time for a proper test drive again. Had enough welding for the night? Yeah. You'll have to take them out and show them your car in a second.
Okay, so I've been on my derby car for a while, this is what it looks like now. It's got a full cage in it, and I got my front bumper here and bumper shocks. Now I'm waiting on a shifter, motor mounts, and the motor out of the wheelies, because that's the motor I'm running.
We're about to have mirrors.
All right, final one.
All right.
I believe we're gonna get all those in the right spot. Yep, they all started. That's winning. Throw the mirror on it, get it set. We'll be able to see behind us. It's gonna be nice. All right, these are a little tricky. We see if we can do it without dropping the mirror and breaking it. That would be nice. All right, let me get a couple wrenches. I put that other one, which way did I put it? A little bit farther, which is, we need all the help we can get. Putting the mirror out, going with that. That's better. There we go. This might be the shiniest piece on the truck right now. That's the spot. Sweet. Okay. We have mirrors. It's official. Michelle is here with me, and we're gonna go take the old Ratback for a little test trip to Orderville
with the Duallys.
Yeah. See, she's never ridden him, have you?
I don't think I actually
Yeah,
have.
I don't think she has. So it's her first time.
Yep.
Here we go. Climb on in. I'll start it. It's still
What?
an outside start.
Oh.
We're at the roll starter. The starter's dead.
But before we get going, we wanted to let you guys know that we will be in Pleasant Grove on June 15th at the Strawberry Days car show from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. You guys are going to want to be there.
We're going to drive this up there.
Yeah, you guys can see this in person.
That's the plan. We'll see how it goes, but that's the plan.
So June 15th, so next Saturday, we want to see you guys in Pleasant Grove for Strawberry Days. Come see us. You know what my favorite thing is about this?
Well,
That tack box.
I knew you'd like that.
Everyone likes it.
What do you think riding in the old girl? It's not bad.
I like it. One of my favorite parts when I got in, because it's really warm today, you can smell this leather seat.
It's pretty
It
good.
smells like leather in here. I love it.
I just like that drive's good.
That's good.
Cruises down the road. It actually runs really good.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
It's smooth.
Yep.
Just cool. Vintage vehicles are awesome.
I like them.
Woo!
This truck's getting close to being done.
It is really smooth. And it's not even that loud in here.
No, it's not.
Gotta stop at the store and get some hamburger patties for lunch. Alright, got us some groceries.
She's rolling.
Oh.
Oh yeah. She'll like.
Oh, there she goes.
We're good.
Never doubted ya.
I think there was a little doubt in there.
Yeah, this is awesome. I approve.
Good deal. Now we just need a finisher. She's close. She's pretty dang close.
Alright, well that was a good little ride.
That was a good ride. It's a grocery getter now officially, so
Got him.
we're getting closer. We'll have it done before long, so thanks for watching.